I was able to back this thing in this nice side yard that I like to work in, and I've got a couple things I need to do here. I need to mount the license plate right here. And he left me 4 holes, look at that. 4 bolt holes and an LED light that's super bright. That's part of the lighting system. And when he made the trailer, these are all recessed so they don't get broken off. Like my other trailer, we were replacing these lights that were hanging off, the little plastic ones. Replacing them like 3 times a year because you unload tires, they roll back and hit the light. So did a good job there. I need to put 1 more cap on. He couldn't get the 4th cap because of all the garbage we're going through with all the shipping and all that, but he gave me his personal one off his trailer. And then I'm going to mount this box on here, and then I'm going to run the remote controller, which is only on like a 2-foot line right here. I'm gonna run this, I have an extension for it up inside the box so it's locked in there, and then it's got like a 10-foot extension so I can back up and watch what I'm doing. So normally I wouldn't keep my trailer at my house because of that 2-mile dirt road, so I keep it in storage about 5 miles from the recycling place, which is on my way to work, and then I just tow it there, leave it, grab it, go up, load it, dump it, put it back there. So we're gonna get this thing fixed up here, take it back, start using it again next week. Go ahead, see how it works. I'll demo you guys these doors.
Oh, I see.
There you go. It's childproof.
Not really. And that's on there.
What's that do?
It helps the door keep closed.
In case that latch comes loose, they won't open. So how do you open it? Look at the end of the bar. What's going on there? Look at the very end.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Whoa. Oh, it's big.
Nice, huh? You want to get in there?
Yeah, it's echoey too.
Got some tire garbage in there, huh?
Yeah.
It feels like summer already.
Yeah.
Well, we've done 3 loads and it's worked flawlessly. We made the interior super smooth so tires don't get hung up.
Yeah, now I just need to go and turn on the lift while I'm sitting in here.
It's not the right cap. All right, so this box is a little different. This one's 52 inches wide, and the other one was, I think, 42 inches wide. Because the trailer, the camper trailer, is only 48 inches total. So I had to get a box that was, you know, narrower than that. But it doesn't have the weatherproofing strip here that I really liked. But what I do like about this better than the other one, it's just got the single lock here. So you can get a lot done with just one hand there. So I got it all mounted, and then what I need to do now, I need to take this little bad boy right here and add the extension and run it up into the bottom so I can lock this up inside the box. I guess I better make sure that this thing lifts properly with this new toolbox. See, it's got that little safety stand there, and it kind of sucks it right into that spot. Now I can work on this. So this thing is just, you just unscrew this, screw in the extension, and then run the wire. So that's what we're gonna do. See, now I can walk around and look at the tires in the back and see what's going on. It's double protected. It's inside the box, it's inside the Tupperware, and I zip tied the cable up underneath. I wrapped like 20 strips of electric tape around the cable, the black part that contacts the sharp edge underneath where it comes through the box. And then I put some zip ties there too to protect it. So, and I'll just check it, make sure it's not being sawed through by the sharp edge of the box. So that's pretty much it. Got it all done. I don't need to bring her back home now. I can leave her in storage and we'll just wrap her up.